In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect surveys and auto-sort feedback by theme. If you've ever struggled with organizing large amounts of survey responses or feedback into themes, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through a simple process that makes this a breeze. Plus, I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial to a tool that can make this whole process automatic. When it comes to collecting surveys, the first step is to choose the right platform. There are tons of survey tools out there, but not all of them are built to auto-sort feedback by theme. You'll need something that allows for customization and automatic categorization. After testing out several options, I found that one software stands out for this exact task. I'll be sharing that tool and the free trial link with you later, so stay tuned. Now, once you've got your survey responses, it's time to automate the sorting process. Instead of manually sifting through each response, you want a tool that can intelligently categorize answers by theme, such as customer satisfaction, product feedback, or common pain points. This makes it easier to analyze and make data-driven decisions without getting bogged down in the details. The software we'll be using helps you upload your surveys, and from there, it scans the text of each response and tags them based on the themes that are most relevant. It uses natural language processing, or NLP, to understand the content and automatically groups similar answers together. This means you don't have to spend hours manually sorting through feedback, and you can dive straight into analyzing the key trends and insights. If you want to set up automatic sorting, it's important to make sure your survey responses are clean and organized first. Keep your survey questions clear and specific to avoid ambiguity in responses. The more structured the feedback, the easier it is for the software to accurately categorize the answers. Once your surveys are collected and uploaded, you'll get to customize the themes based on what you care about most, whether that's customer satisfaction, features they like, or areas of improvement. With a few clicks, the software will automatically sort all your responses into these predefined categories. Here's the cool part. Once you start using the software, you can set up automatic reports that get sent to you on a regular basis. No more manually pulling data. Everything's organized and ready for you to review at your convenience. By using this method, you can scale up your survey collection and feedback analysis without losing the quality of the insights you're gathering. Whether you're looking for patterns in customer feedback or just need a quick way to see how your product is performing, auto-sorting surveys by theme can save you loads of time. Quick recap. Collect surveys with a good tool that supports auto-sorting, clean up your responses, upload them to the software, and let it automatically categorize them. Then, customize themes, set up automatic reports, and you're good to go. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a limited time offer just for my channel viewers, and it's the perfect way to follow along with today's tutorial. The key takeaway here is that by using the right software, you can save hours of work while gaining deeper insights from your surveys and feedback. Auto-sorting by theme is an essential time saver and allows you to focus on the analysis, not the data entry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.